For many years, ship owners are provided with 2D AutoCAD drawings of vessel designs. Discussion on faults, inspection, and repair works are planned using these drawings. Each vessel design may have over 10,000 pages of 2D drawings in PDF format, which makes it challenging to retrieve information quickly and accurately. These drawings also contain huge amounts of information not easily understandable by a pair of untrained eyes. These make discussions inefficient and may result in miscommunication. Some cruise companies provide 3D walkthroughs similar to that of real estate tours. Existing products focus on providing immersive experiences, not technical and engineering details. Ocean Network Express and Symphony Creative Solutions have not identified a solution suitable for its commercial vessels. As vessel operators, they are required to inspect, maintain, and repair the vessel and equipment, such as those handling cargo and in the engine room. Hence, ONE and SES are looking for a 3D virtual walkthrough suitable for vessels to help enable effective communication for on-site investigations. The solution should be able to do 3 things. Firstly, support inspection by reducing time needed on board vessels, even when they are cruising. Time is of the essence during cargo operation, and unnecessary port stay time is undesired. Secondly, enable effective communication between vessel operators and owners, especially during discussions on repairs and maintenance, by allowing them to visualize 3-dimensionally. Lastly, train seafarers effectively even without boarding vessels. The solution should minimally have a library of 3D images for the upper deck and engine room, where most machinery is located, if not the whole vessel. The inspection results need to be periodically updated every 1 to 2 months, ensuring that parts are working well. It will be a bonus if the solution also retains information and tracks changes, as well as easily compares conditions of other vessels. While this feature is desired, it may be developed later.